Niños y niñas, bienvenidos sean todos ustedes a chica. Let's switch them over. Boys and girls, welcome back to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas here behind the bar. Slash kitchen. And production behind the camera, we like to say welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with another fun cocktail. And for those vodka lovers, please stay tuned because you're going to learn how to make. The time is on my side. Please take over with me. Let me show you how to pour this guy. Time is on my side. So well, as you can probably guess it, I was meaning the thyme, which is the spice, the herb. Sorry, thank you. The herb, and besides the fact that it is very aromatic, it works perfectly fine for cocktails if you guys enjoy some really nice and fresh products. One of the coolest things about bartending is that you learn down the road lots and lots and lots of recipes that you can actually adapt to certain cocktails. This one is another really good cocktail from one of my places where I work, and involves a little bit of vodka, involves grapefruit juice, fresh lemon juice, and this nice baby. So this is honey, and in order to make your spice honey, you're gonna go for a ratio of half of a liter of your honey by half of a liter of water. You're gonna use 2 anise stars, half of a pound of peppercorns, and probably 1 little pound of thyme. You're gonna put all these together in a pan, and you're gonna start like boiling it. Let it kind of like a boil, turn it off, let it sit for about 15 minutes, strain it, and you're gonna have this deliciousness. It is your spice honey, and this is gonna be the perfect catalyzer for your cocktail. So let me show you how to make it, because after this is the hard work. After this is gonna be just nothing but pure and nothing more than deliciousness in your glass. Let's start with it. Let's add some ice. Vodka of your preference, 2 ounces. Fresh grapefruit juice, 1 full ounce. Lemon juice, half an ounce. And your spice honey, 1 full ounce. Let's give it a really nice shake. Ice. And strain. We're gonna finalize it with a really nice branch of thyme. Insert it in your lemon as part of your garnish. And there you have it. Something perfect for brunch or in an early day along with your friends. The time is on your side. So please, drink responsible, don't drink and drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time, you guys.